Okay, so it did load up finally. It's only been a few minutes, like 15. So anyway, put in your credentials here, and you're going to put in the password that you got. And I'm going to say not for this site. Okay, administration verification. Okay, yeah. This is correct email. Okay, welcome to your new site. Okay, so what I do when I first start a website is I get rid of all of this stuff here, right? And let's go to the plugins here. And I usually get rid of all of these things. So I'm going to deactivate this. I'm going to deactivate that. I'm going to deactivate that. You don't need all this stuff. This stuff slows your website down, man. And I'm going to deactivate that. And I'm going to deactivate that. And I'm going to deactivate that. Just put other, skip and go. Just want to deactivate it. And I guess we got all the plugins here we're going to just get rid of. So you just highlight this here, go to bulk actions, delete, apply. Yeah, I want them all gone. So now it's going to delete all your plugins that you have in there. Okay, now I'm going to go to posts. I'm going to trash the Hello World post. I'm going to go into pages. I'm going to trash sample page. I'm going to trash this. Okay, so you're starting off with a clean slate. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is see, now this is Internet Explorer because for some reason my Chrome was messing up, so I went to Internet Explorer. And now they're doing the same thing as far as saying you use an unsecure browser. So you want to make this secure. So how you do that is you go to plugins. Remember, you get a free SSL, which is a free secured website, free with HostGator. All your websites you can do this with. You don't have to pay nothing for SSL. And so you're going to go to add new. And you're going to just type in here simple SSL. And there it is right there. So you want to install simple SSL. And you want to activate simple SSL. And simple SSL is activated. Plugins activated. Detect possible issues. Okay, so we're just going to ignore that. Now what's going to happen is you're going to have to sign back in order for this SSL to start showing up here. So if I refresh the website, okay, so now that we got the SSL in there, it's not showing right now because I believe it has to propagate as well. It's just taking time for everything to meld. But if you want to see what your website looks like right now, nothing. That's what your website looks like. And so, but we're going to fix this, okay? Now, what you can do, and you notice how in your Chrome browser it says not secure. Now, that's what's going to look like to your clients or your customers. They're going to see this, and I've seen a lot of this on local business websites, and this is a no-no. You want to get your SSL certificate working. If it isn't working by tomorrow, I'm going to call HostGator, which is very good with customer support. I'm going to find out why my SSL isn't working, and they'll fix it, no problem. So anyway, now what you want to do is you want to install some kind of a website, right? So if you go to Appearance here, and you go to Themes, you're going to see that this is the current theme installed. And what I usually do is I usually click on this, and then I will delete it. And then I click on that. I'll delete that because you don't want too much stuff in your website to slow it down. Okay, now you only got one theme in here. Now, I myself use a Divi theme, and it's a page builder, and I highly suggest that you get a page builder for your website. They're not very expensive. If you want, I can install one on your website for $50 because I had to pay for mine. So, and I do have a license that I could put it on anybody's website. So I had to pay for that too. So that's why I charge. Now, if you don't want me to install Divi on your website, you need to have some kind of a theme depending on what kind of business you have. So if you click on Add New, you're going to see you got so many themes here to pick from. And the reason why I don't like picking these free themes is because a lot of them have premium sides to them, so you're very limited in what you can do with the theme, and they don't really upload updates to these themes very often. So sometimes your theme will work and sometimes it won't. But feel free to use any one of these free themes if you have, like, say, a construction company. I just put construct, and as you can see, constructions. So there's different kinds of sites here that you can use. If you got a bakery, you can see there's bakery themes here. Depending on what you got, hair salon. So you can pick whatever kind of theme you want. All you do is just search for a theme in here, and most likely they have it. Okay. I got my Divi theme, so now I'm going to go back to my pages. So if you don't want me to install Divi, then choose a theme and then follow along with me. But try to get a theme that has a page builder. Kind of hard to find, but go to Add New. And I'm going to go to Upload a Theme. And I'm going to choose the file where my theme is at. And I believe it's in the F drive. Or maybe it's in the downloads. Yeah, there it is, Divi. And I'm going to open it. And I'm going to install the Divi theme. Okay, so we are going to activate the Divi theme. Okay, the Divi theme is activated, so I'm going to delete this theme right here. Alright, now we have a theme in there. But still, if we go to our website, it's still going to look like that, but you got the Divi logo up there. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to create a page. So we're going to create a couple of pages here. Before I create the page, though, let's go to Settings. We want to go to Permalinks. And in the permalinks, you want to put your post name there. You don't want this custom structure. You want post name. That's for seasonal webmasters can use this, but us newbies can use this post name. I'm not a newbie, but I always use post name anyway. Okay, so I changed the permalink. And let's go to General, see what that says. Okay, so we're going to get rid of just another WordPress site. I'm just going to put here for tagline rank in Google. Alright, so then everything else is going to stay the same, and I'm going to just click changes. Now we can go to our pages. We're going to add a page. We're not going to do any SEO right now. We're just going to add these pages so that we can get some kind of a website up there. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that right there. And I'm going to call a home page. And then I'm going to publish it. All right, so we're going to been published. And we're going to add another new page. And we're going to call this page blog. I'm going to publish it. And then we're going to make another new page. We're going to call this about. Okay, now that we got those pages published, let's go back to settings and let's go to reading. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to have a static page, and we're going to select home for the home page and blog for the blog page. And we're going to save our settings. Okay, now that we got that done, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to appearance and okay, so this is the front page. Now I'm going to edit this front page with Divi. And I'm not going to take the tour. I'm going to start building because I know how to use Divi very well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a pre-made layout. Okay, so these are the pre-made layouts they have for you. And this is a page builder, so it's really cool. So I'm going to put SEO and see what pops up here. So here we have SEO agency, which I don't really like the look of that theme. Let me go to business. And let's see. So you got restaurants here, agency. Design agency, farmers market, yoga, coffee, travel agency, florist, SaaS company, web agency. So as you can see, there's different kinds of business websites here. Handyman website, digital marketing website. Okay, I like that one, I think. Let me look at that one. Okay, this one here is the I believe this is the home page. No, this is the landing page. So this is what the landing page looks like. Home page. This is what the home page looks like. Okay, let's use this layout. Now it's asking me for my credentials. Remember I told you before I have credentials for this? So I'm going to have to go to Elegant Themes. And I'm going to have to sign into my account. And I'm going to log in. Get my API and username key there. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Go back in here. Paste it. And now it's going to load up my theme. There we go. Simple as that. Now you have a web page. Right, so now we can exit the builder, say save. And this is your home page. So you could go back go back to the dashboard. And then if you go back to visit your site, see, there's your new site. Now, I'm going to shut this video and I'm going to come back to it at another time so we can build on this website. Okay, so now I showed you how to get a domain name, how to get web hosting, how to install WordPress, how to put in a theme, and so now we're all ready to start doing our SEO thing. Okay, so we'll start on that in the next video. So if you like the content that I'm putting out here on this channel, just go down there and subscribe to the channel, ping the icon bell so you're notified every time that I come out with a new video like this, because then you're going to be notified. Okay, you're going to be, as soon as I come out with it, you're going to be notified, and you're going to want to be notified after I get done with the, building a website kind of thing, right? Check in the next video.